May mga
Okay, there you have it, friends. Welcome back. Okay, mag-invite muna tayo ulit. Okay. Okay, delete comment muna tayo kasi naka-Sunday comment pa yan. Okay. Share broadcast. Invite friends to share broadcast. Okay.
Sa turbo kung sa on. Sa on lang ano eh. Sa on lang.
Wahida. Tapos
ang ano ba yun? Ang matiga ba lang panit?
There you go. Okay, friends. Earlier we have unboxed our juicer. Okay, and now we are ready for the juicing thing. But before we do that, we would like to acknowledge and say thank you to two of our friends, si Troy and si Vads. We are here at Cafe Balcon in Pavia. No? So the place is really so conducive for coffee and for relaxation. No? So we would like to say special shout out. Thank you kay Troy, kay Buds, no, for allowing us to be here and to use their facility, okay, for our juicing this afternoon and unboxing, okay. So where is Bayan? Also with us is Nonoy. Ayan. Nonoy will be helping us with the juicing thing, okay, and then Angel, of course, okay, our wonderful Angel, ayan, okay, naka-set up na po kami, saglit lang po, mag-shout out muna tayo or at muna tayo. Highlight, ayan, okay, and then, bakit walang followers? Wala siyang followers, no? Pero sa cellphone, sa laptop may followers. But anyway, sige. So, dear friends, no, there you have it. Okay. So, Robbie Reyes, good afternoon, cousin. Okay. Ohila Dueñas, ayan. Bring them on camera. Okay, Ellie! Ayan, Ellie is watching us. Ready ka na? May juicer na kita, El. Okay?
Juicer na sila.
Yan.
Ready na.
Ready na po kami. Okay? Ma'am Muhida, Ellie is also joining us. Ayan. Ellie is also watching us. Diyan na to. Ari kami to sa Pavia, sa Cafe Balcon. No? Cafe Balcon sa Pavia.
Oh.
Ma'am Muhida, hindi ka pa po makikita sa camera. Ayan, sa
I know.
There you are. Okay. Okay, sige.
I can see you.
Nakikita niyo po ang fruits, Ma'am Muhida?
Yeah, I can see you guys.
Okay, so here we have.
It's okay. Pinapanood ko kayo sa I can see you on my iPhone. It's okay.
And apple. Yeah, so we have cucumber.
Body booster.
Yes. Age, ano ang makukuha natin sa itong mga fruits na to?
Of course, carrot is very popular for its beta-carotene. Vitamin D is good for the eyes. And also, the apple is a very good energy booster. And cucumber is good for skin elasticity and hydration.
Skin.
Yes.
So, kung may problema ako sa skin ko, ayan, right.
So, to decrease the eye opening.
Okay. And then, these fruits are also good for detox.
Yes.
Right? Detox din siya, and then, ano ba?
And also some mga cancer patients.
Mga cancer patients, yes.
Very good
Okay.
alternative.
Okay. Yes, Mamuda, you're trying to say something? Age, ano ang makukuha natin sa... Okay. Mamuda, you're trying to say something. Sorry po. Can you say it again? Ma'am? Ma'am Wahida?
Yes, I can hear you.
You were trying to say something earlier?
No, it's fine. I'm watching.
Ah, okay.
I'm enjoying the show. Teka, ilisin ko lang yung phone ko. Keep going.
Ah, okay, sige po. So, ready na po kami. Okay?
Yay!
Yes, and thank you very much for joining us. Anong muna natin? Cucumber. Okay. Dear friends, by the way, pag nag-juicer po kayo, okay, you do not need to remove the balat.
Kasi lahat ng nutrients sa balat.
Again, Ains?
Most of the nutrients makukuha sa balat.
Ah, okay.
Hindi natin dapat balatan.
Balatan. So, pwede kaya to lahat-lahat? Hindi na kailangan slice?
No. Kaya-kaya yan ang juicer natin.
Really?
Yes.
Sige nga, patunayan. Patunayan. Hello, Pastor Bob. Good afternoon. Okay, push. Push. Ayan. O, diba?
Walang tapon yan.
Walang tapon, parang naglalaro ka lang po. Fresh na fresh. Ayan. Then, carrots naman, carrots. Carrots, ayan. Oh. Yan, sige. Parang naglalaro lang po kami. Ang saya-saya. So nakikita niyo friends, ilapit natin to ha. Lapit natin.
Makikita mo yung enzyme mismo na
Okay.
yan yung huwag natin tatanggalin. Kasi kailangan natin yan. Nakatawan natin.
Okay. So we have the apples naman.
Don't need to slice the apple.
Okay lang. Okay, go, push.
Ayun.
Ayan.
So good. Yum.
Yes, ma'am.
So good. That looks so good.
Yes. Yan.
It smells good. I love it. Natatakam na po ako.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ayan.
Alright.
Okay. So friends, kung nakikita nyo po, okay, yung bubble sa taas, okay?
Yan po yung enzyme.
Yan yung bubble sa taas, yan po yung enzymes, okay? Wag nyo pong itatapon yung enzymes kasi needed yan ng katawan natin.
To metabolize.
Yes, for metabolism, okay? Ang tanong po,
absorb talaga ng katawan.
yes, ng katawan natin, correct. Saan napunta yung mga non-digestible?
The fibers that have been removed are the fibers that our body
Cannot utilize.
cannot utilize. So, hindi kailangan i-digest ng mga katawan natin dito napupunta.
Yes, so ito po, yung mga nandito, okay, ito na po yung part ng fruits na hindi po natin madadigest. Okay? Hindi po siya madadigest. So this juice master is separating yung pwedeng madigest sa hindi pwede madigest. Ayan. Okay? So safe na po siya. Okay? I-steer natin ng konti. Inch. Mahiram tayo doon ng ano. Nay, may spoon. Ayan. Steer. Ayan. Ayan.
Tapos,
Haluin natin ng konti.
yung small observe na katawan natin, as fast as 5 minutes na sa Let's finish it.
Yan. Okay? So, yan na po siya. May 3 glasses po tayo dito. Okay? 1, 2, 3! Ayan!
Teka muna.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
drink yet. Huwag ka muna, gagawa muna ako. Ako muna gagawa. We're gonna drink together.
Yeah.
Yes. We'll drink together with the Lord. Ayan.
We're gonna
Last time po, Ate Mamuhida, kayo lang po ni Ma'am Lalin ang nag-toast. Ngayon, 3 lang kami mag-toast dito. Okay? Ay.
2 glasses
Try.
more.
3 pa.
Okay, let's juice some more. Let me juice.
Yeah. Okay. So, we would like to say good afternoon. Shout out sa mga kaibigan natin join ngayon. Pastor Val, good afternoon. Meaning Floor, good afternoon. An, sa sosyal. Mga sosyal, ay lahat. Okay. So,
It's really not worth.
by the way, friends, ang ginawa lang po natin, we had 3 cucumber, 2 cucumber, 3 carrot, and 3 apple. Okay? And we were able to make this much na, ayan, timing, dumating si Sir, ano? Sir Troy, timing na timing. By the way, we'd like to say good afternoon to Sir Troy. Hello. Yeah, si Sir Troy po is one of the owners ng Cafe Balcon. Thank you very much. Ito po sa inyo, sir. Ito po sa inyo. Sa social yan. Ayan. Ayan.
Are we gonna drink?
Sir Troy, are you enjoying daw? Oh, Noy.
Tayo, sabay tayo.
Ay,
Mais.
sarap. Oh, mais. Sabi na lang po.
Cheers! Lagay siya.
Nice.
Yay! Very good.
You can drink it with ice kung gusto nyo malamig. Diba?
Hindi lang.
O, Sir Troy, anong masasabi nyo? The best. Yeah, delicious and delicious. Ah! Diba? Masarap. Masarap. You can bring this picture, Sir Buds na nasa.
Super sarap.
Yes. Ayan.
Super sarap.
Carrots, cucumber, and apple. Ayan. Okay. So, yan po, dear friends. No? If you want to have an experience with us at juicing and you would like to know more about this, don't be shy na PM us. Ako ang si Angel. Okay? And we would be very happy to tell you more about this wonderful product ng Carico, the Juice Master.
And let's be healthy.
Di ba?
Cheers, guys! Well done. Let's juice again soon.
Yes, so
Well
guys,
done.
thank you very much for joining us.
Well done. Love it.
So dear
Thank
friends,
you.
no, para maiwasan po natin yung more medicines, okay? Ngayon is we have more of ayan, nag-juicing din po si Mamuhida. Ayan, hindi din siya magpapahuli. Ayan, so ayan. Okay. So, for those who are health conscious out there, okay, to all our friends who are health conscious, yes. So, nowadays, we have all the toxic products. Well, lahat is fast foods na and stuff. So, our health is namang problema na po tayo sa health natin. No? So, correct, compromise ng health natin. No? So, para maging healthy po tayo, maiwasan po natin ang hospital at ang butika. Let's change our lifestyle. Mag-juicing na po tayo with Carico's Juice Master. Okay? Very healthy and then very affordable. plus very simple to use. Okay? So again,
And most of all, makakasigurado tayo na talagang 100% pure. Hindi natin 100%.
100% pure. Kasi straight siya eh.
Yeah.
Walang tapon po. Walang tapon po, no?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, this machine separates the ones that cannot be consumed by our bodies. Ito po.
Pwede mo naman siya di ba? Pwede naman siya gawing sahog sa mga soup.
Yes, yeah. Dry na dry po siya. Okay? So, yan. Okay? So, well, friends, next time naman po, iba naman po ang ating gagawing juice. Next time, pwede tayong gumawa ng watermelon. Di ba? Sa mga boys. Ayan. Sa mga boys. Natural enhancer. Kung si Ma'am Wahida pa magsalita. Natural enhancer. Kung ano po yun, makuha po yan natin sa watermelon.
Akala ko pa
Sa watermelon. Sa mga ba eh. Pero ano sa watermelon? Saan sa watermelon? Di ba?
That's the mystery.
Yes.
Which part of the watermelon?
Which part of the watermelon yung enhancer? Kaya guys, kung gusto nyo powerful, talented, and then
natural. Natural.
Yeah, correct. No? Sa pinya, di ba? You might be surprised, friends. Yes. Surprise. Surprise. Yeah.
Kaya ng juicer natin.
Yeah. Sa pinya
yung
naman
balat ng pinya.
Correct. Hindi na kailangang balatan ang pinya. Kunin lang po yung crown. Yung crown. Yung crown ng pinya at saka yung puwet niya. Kunin lang po yun. Slice ng konti. Pati yung balat ng pinya. Kayang-kaya. Okay?
Yep.
So, well, thank you very much. Ma'am Maria Ampiao, thank you for joining us. Good afternoon po. So anyway, friends, if you have, again, more questions, PM lang po kami dalawa ng beautiful angel ko. Angel ko! Angel ng buhay ko! Okay? And we will be very happy to tell you more about it. Kung andito na naman po kayo sa Panay, Capiz, Clan, Antique, Guimaras, pupuntahan po namin kayo basta wala lang nindol. Okay? Or if you are far from Western Visayas, then we can share it with you through video calls. Okay? Yeah. Worldwide po yung product natin. Okay? So once again, friends, let's keep on being healthy. Mag-juice na po tayo. Bye!
Bye-bye!